Today is my birthday, July 16, 2019. Tuesday. I'm here in the sala, at the window where I saw these two siblings of Kawkaw, and this is number 29 and 30 since I arrived here in the UK. I count the siblings of Kawkaw. Kawkaw is in there on top of the roof. I opened the window curtain just only to picture these two. Oh God, I just keep the two of them. I don't know if the male or female or all male or all females. I just take a video because it's meaningful to me as well. What I gave the food is a potato. A while ago, I just gave not these two siblings of Kawkaw, but on top of the roof, I usually feeding these two seagull birds. No, one, my favorite. Peter called him Charlie before I came into his life. Way back 2007, I called that bird, seagull bird, Kawkaw, because when you just heard it, when you said Kawkaw, that's the reason why. And now, I count every year. There are times that Kawkaw has 3 siblings, sometimes 2, sometimes 1. And I counted it since 2007. Now it's 2019 already. These 2, I counted because I know that's the 2 siblings because they were on top of the roof previous days. And Peter says his word about one of these because look like so weak, you know. The 2 of them is just will be there in the what you call that one, that there's a water over there where the seagull birds were drinking in there as well, so including Kawkaw. I can't remember what's the name with that. Peter just telling me sometimes some people, some residents living in this flat or seven, they just put some water there, but mostly it's Peter just put water so that the birds can drink water. Now back to these 2 siblings in here. Oh my, I hope they're still alive, you know. These 2, I just give them, still have food in there. It's a potato. I hope. Oh goodness me, goodness me. I hope they will be survived, these 2. And I know what's on top on there. It's Kawkaw and the partner just looking, you know. I know it's time for them to feed themselves. It's already a little bit, old enough to find their own foods. That's the way it is. The seagull birds. First, of course, when they were so young, it's the parents, which means the male and the female will feed them. But later on, they will let them find their own foods. I pity the other one was just looking in there. Piak piak. I call them piak piak because when I heard the words, piak piak. And then just the time I just go since 2007. When I came here in the UK, I love seagull bird, but the only thing is, some people are really annoying, because of the noise is so loud, and they just disturb them when they're sleeping, especially in the afternoon. Oh, they're looking. I hope you just get that one, okay? That's the only I can give you this time. Last night I gave you those noodles. I don't know if you just eat that one, but I just most of the time it's a Kawkaw just eat. Your dad. You'll eat that one, okay? So many that I just throw it in there. Not so many, but a little bit more than that. I just, oh my goodness, I pity this bird. I don't know why, but this is my first time to saw this in real life here in the UK. That's why I said I pity this. We're just looking. You have to eat that one, okay? You have to eat that. Piak piak. Ooh, just looking. There's still up in there. Oh, it's just looking. Look, piak piak. You have to eat that all in there. It's just not so many, but I hope that it adds, to your stomach. I'm here standing, one of the chair over here, but I just wanted to have a video with this. It's a souvenir with this too. I say it's a sibling of Kawkaw. My favorite seagull bird in here. Oh, wait a minute, I just continue later on. I have to stop this for a moment. You have to eat that, okay? Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you for a fool? Just going there, maybe just drink water. I like Kawkaw because even though it's annoying, the sounds and the noise, but this is the only bird I saw when I first time came here. And that's the reason I love it. I like it. That's why I call him Kawkaw. But Peter called him Charlie. Oh my goodness me. Okay, you have to drink water in there. You have to, okay? Ooh. There, just drink water. Piak Piak. You have to be strong, the two of you, okay? I want you, the two of you to be alive. And be strong and live by your own. Individually, the two of you. I know Kawkaw will not feeding you, including your mom. Not feeding you anymore. Because you're old enough. You have to find your own food already. But because I pity you, that's why I stopped doing it in the computer and I gave you food. Since you didn't went on top of the roof, that's Kawkaw who eat the food that I just gave. Oh my goodness me. What you doing there? That's your drink. Hey! Why are you just on top of that water? Piak Piak. Oh my. Don't tell me that you're just doing not nice in there. That's your drink. I'm talking about maybe just, you know what I mean. Maybe just blowed out. Oh, I'm talking about manure. I hope not. What you're just eating? I don't know what's that in. Maybe somebody gave food? No, I don't think so. Oh no, it's water. It's water. I hope they were just alive, these two. You have to hide tonight, huh? Not in there, because maybe you're eating by that fox. I saw some, feeders there down. Huh? Oh my goodness me. I hope that's not three of them. We just died one. Oh God, I hope not. I hope not. I like seagull bird. Even though it's annoying sometimes, because of the noise, but me, I'm just fine and okay. But for those people who lives in this country for the entire life, which means from childbirth, until now they're already old, it annoying. It's because of the noise, so loud. Even at night time, there's a lot of the noise of the seagull bird, and that's the reason why people don't like. What's that, practice, huh? Oh, be careful in there. Piak Piak. Careful! Careful, Piak Piak! Oh, okay, that's the way. You have to practice. Kawkaw is on top of the roof. Let me see if I can take a picture of Kawkaw. I just include. I think it's in there. Yeah, that's Kawkaw. There. That's Kawkaw. Kawkaw and a partner. You just left your two siblings, huh? I hope you're still feeding the two of them, Kawkaw. That's your two siblings. Oh, they're calling the two of you. Oh, my. They're on top of the roof. I already keep Kawkaw. Supposedly I'll keep, which means the time that I'll keep usually is 5 o'clock. Sometimes it's nighttime already because it's just asking twice. This time I just keep in advance because I'm thinking the two siblings, they're down on the soil. They come up on the roof of this garage, Our garage is over there. Garage number 13, over there. Our garage. Oh, my. They're there on the... Oh, my God. Peter is the one who just cut the grass in here. Maintaining this lawn. The grass is the one who cutting it. Using the mower. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. And me, the two in there. So nice. Calling for their parents. And Kawkaw? Where the... There, Kawkaw's over there. Oh my. Kawkaw, you have to look and take care of your two siblings. Just come on. I think that's a partner. And the other one is there. I think that's Kawkaw over there. And then following this, he just followed the seagull bird, the sibling. Oh my. What's this looking in there? Kawkaw! Kawkaw, come here! Kawkaw! I think the sibling is over there. Yeah, he's walking over there, the sibling. Where's the other one? I think the two of them over there. Wait, Kawkaw will look and take care of it. I'm just worried about, because maybe they cannot survive, you know. Well, that's only my opinion, because I love seagull bird, especially the sibling of Kawkaw. I want that they would just live, you know. Kawkaw is already old, I know. I came in here in 2007. What's now? It's 2019. Now Peter says, this seagull bird is here already for many years, but he can't remember what year that he's in here. But think about me, 2007. I came in here, that seagull bird he just called it Charlie at that time. Me, when I came in here, because of the sounds of Kawkaw, that's why I called him Kawkaw. That's the partner, and I think Kawkaw is over there. There. Oh my goodness me, Kawkaw. Where is that? There. And then the sibling is following. Kawkaw! Come here! It's him. Oh my goodness me. It's not a little bit limping. I know two seagull birds there. The other one now is sitting down. Where is they? There. And I think that is Kawkaw. Or the partner. Hey, what's the matter with him? Her. Look. Don't tell me you're struggling the hot climate here in the UK. It's not much in my country, the Philippines. It's so hot. Oh my. Kawkaw! Come here, over here! What's the matter with that? Maybe because of the hot climate, or just practicing. That's why just inhale, exhale. That look like it's just struggling in breathing. Oh, don't tell me. Lovebird! What's the matter with you? Look like you're struggling breathing. Are you exercising? Where are the other two seagull birds? I'm just thinking, where are they? I know they're in the lawn here, in the garden of Westminster Court. I cannot find it too. There, it's just flying already. Oh, they're eating the two. Good. I mean, they're drinking it. I hope they will survive this too. They're drinking. I've been thinking there's a food in there. Look like water to me, yeah. Look like water. Yeah, I think it's water. We cannot come up there. That's still also water there. Peter just put all the time. Yeah, that's water there. I hope they will survive. I hope Piak Piak. Come back in here, there's a lot of food, oh. Okay, you have to eat that. It's still up there, Piak Piak. It's still up there food, you know. Find it there, because I throw it. Hello. That's it. You have to eat that one then. You have to eat that, Piak Piak. Hey, you're looking at me. Oh my. Eat that one. You have to eat already because, you know, your mom and dad look like it's not feeding you anymore. Oh, he's looking at me here. Hello, Piak Piak. You have to eat that. He give you that, Piak Piak. You have to eat that then, okay? Who is it looking at me? You just say happy birthday to me? Today's my birthday, Piak Piak. Hello, Piak Piak. Who's just looking? If only I can come with you, I will hug you. But you are wild. Hello, Piak Piak. Eat that one then. Oh, my. Oh, who's looking? You say thanks to me and say happy birthday? It's my birthday today, Piak Piak. It's my birthday today, July 16, 2019, Tuesday. And the time now is 3:25 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm filming or videoing you. It's my souvenir for the two of you, including your parents, Kawkaw and your mom. They're on top of the roof of the garage here in Westminster Court. I'm here in the window filming this, and I'm happy to have these two seagull birds. I mean sibling of Kawkaw. And I know this is only 29 and 30 seagull bird, sibling of Kawkaw. Oh God, you have a lot already of seagull bird, your sibling Kawkaw. Oh my, okay, eat that one. Eat that one, Piak Piak. Where's the other one? Who's just listening? Is listening, Piak Piak. Eat that so that you can be survive, you know. Kawkaw siblings. I hope the two of them will survive. I know that by the time the little baby older, the seagull bird will just left. The parents will just leave and they just let them find their own foods. That's the life of the birds. Where are you going? You're not finished eating yet. There's still have the potatoes there. If only you're friendly and approachable, I will get you and hug you. And I bring you here in the flat we just live. But you are wild birds, the two of you. Sibling of Kawkaw. There's two siblings of Kawkaw. Let me see where you're going. Maybe you're going to your brother or sister. I don't know which is male, which is female, or are both of you are males, or both of you are females. I have no idea. Where are you going? I'm still filming you. Piak Piak lang. I think they're teasing some of those grasshoppers there, or maybe bugs. As we're teasing that there. Slowly that they just walk, practicing the wings to fly. You know, it's a little bit windy outside. I can feel it a little bit because I'm just wearing leggings, and t-shirt. Okay, okay, come back, come back. You have to eat the one in there, the one I just gave. It's not yet finished, you know. Still having the potatoes. Eat that, Piak Piak. Where are you going? Where's your companion, you know? I have no idea which is male, which is female. Or both of you are males, or both of you are females. Where's the other one? Which is Peter is just a little bit worried because look like a little bit weak, your companion there. Where is she? She or he? I have no idea. If they already survived this to seagull bird. And are still drinking water there. One of the residents in the Westminster Court flats, he just put something in there. I think that's water maybe. It look like a bulb, orange color to me. And they just be there all the time. Oh, drink again, water. I hope they will survive. I don't know where's the other one. Cannot find out where's the other one. I cannot find his blood again, my video. Oh my. I'm just happy to video this. Supposed to be, I'm just finished the one I'm doing in a computer. I stuck up here and watching these two siblings of Kawkaw. Kawkaw I'm talking about is a seagull bird. He's our favorite here. Peter just called him Charlie, as I said a while ago. Before I came into his life. I came in at 2007. Kawkaw's still alive until now. But he's limping. I don't know what happened to him. When she come in here every now and then, I'm just feeding him. Sometimes in the morning, mostly in the afternoon. And when I went to the Philippines, I saw it, Peter, especially this year, last month of June, I said to him that day, you know, which means not the day we depart, but the other day that we just giving him food. And I said to Charlie, which is Kawkaw, I call him Kawkaw. I said, Kawkaw, you have to find food, huh? We're not here for 20 days. We'll be in the Philippines, so you have to find your food. Your mommy and daddy is not here. We called the two of us, me and Peter, as you know, his mommy and daddy. It's so funny, you know. Well, this is the only that I'm just saying that why I love this seagull bird, which is Kawkaw. The reason why is there are times, you know, I'm so lonely in here because I'm alone. Peter is working in Clarence Court and Westminster Court. So I'm alone in here. That's the only that I just talk to. Sometimes I be in the kitchen, sometimes here in the sala, and sometimes in the window of the toilet. This time I just give him food. Anything that I just, food that we have, when I just offered first in our small altar here in our bedroom, and after that, the following day, I'll get that one, and I give it to Kawkaw. I know he's happy, because he just eat the food that we have in here that offered in the altar. But I'm happy I'm doing that then as well. To divert my mind, being lonely because I'm alone here at home, you know. After doing daily routine, you know, in the kitchen, cleaning, you know, putting some clothes, our dirt clothes in the washing machine, cleaning, cooking, things that we arrange either in the stockroom, in the sala. And that's the reason why that if I heard him there in the window, there's a time sometimes I feed him, sometimes I just talk to him. And it's, how are you, Kawkaw? I hope you find an okay, huh? You hide somewhere else. By the time in the afternoon when I feed him, I said to him straight away, after you eat Kawkaw, hide over somewhere else that you'll be safe. Because I don't want that you'll be eaten by the fox. Foxes a lot in here in the UK. And they come out at night time. I saw some fox in here. And at times I heard, you know, that look like the seagull bird. I said, oh my God, I hope that's not Kawkaw. I hope he's hiding somewhere else or else on top of our garage roof or here in the flat that we just live on top of the roof. I'm just thinking about that because I love that bird. When I came in here, he's the first I saw. That's the reason why that I like the bird whose name is Kawkaw. And Peter called him Charlie. Now I'm focusing this sibling here. That's the sibling of Kawkaw, which is number 29 and 30. There's so many already. Sibling of Kawkaw since I arrived here in 2007. Now it's 2019. Where's Kawkaw? I think he's just left. The one on top of the roof, that's the partner. That's the mom. That's their mom. Oh my good cow. I think she's eating over there. Something is just eating, no? What's she doing? Maybe there is a earthworm? No, I don't think so. She's cleaning the body of this sibling of Kawkaw. Piak Piak! I hope you will continue eating the food I just throw here in the window. And you have to be back up on the rope, okay? When it is already a little bit dark. So that you'll not be eaten by the fox. The two of you. Now I found it. It's already there, resting. Resting the other one. I have no idea either these two are males or females, or one of these two are male or female. But I love it that I beat you today. It's only that I do today because supposed to be I going out, you know. That's I planned for. I just wanted to go out because today is my birthday. We cannot be out with me and Mala Peter because he's working this time in Clarence Court. But he just already booked and an advance for my birthday. We went into Weymouth. Oh, it's a nice place. It's Weymouth Seaside Festival. And I'm happy to come that place there because that's my first time to come there. And aside from that, I love to travel in the UK. A long distance travel. I love it. I like it. If it is short place only that you're just going on a travel, well, I'm satisfied because it's the first time. But mostly, I love to travel long distance. And Weymouth is far. And I hope we just travel again. Hopefully soon, maybe next month. And we just do it Sunday because Malapeter is just already used all his holiday for this year 2019. So we only hope which means we just plan to book only on Sunday. Saturday has a work half day, Malapeter, but on Sunday he don't have work. So that's a good idea for traveling or somewhere else. What's that? It's Kawkaw. He's teasing some of the baby because I saw this. Hello, Kawkaw dear. That's Kawkaw. Oh my God, I don't like to include that one because that's not my favorite bird, you know. It's just coming. Yeah, it's just teasing a little bit. Oh my. Just because Kawkaw is, where's Kawkaw? There. Hello, Kawkaw dear. There's two siblings over there. Oh, you didn't feeding them. Oh, it's not good, Kawkaw. It's not good. You're listening, huh, Kawkaw? You're just looking your two siblings there down. I just fed them potatoes. Kawkaw? It's him. He's my favorite seagull bird here in the UK. It's my first time there, so I think that's the mother going down. Yeah, I think that's the mother. Just eat some of those that I've given there, which is the potato. I think she will eat that. Yeah, that's the mother. Just looking in here. I'll not move so that I can still concentrating filming. Just looking in here. I know she will eat that. Some of those I just throw it in there. It's a potato. Where is she going? I cannot see anymore. And the two siblings is over there. Where's that? Where's that? I cannot find. I cannot find the two siblings. Oh, there. They're sitting down. They're just resting, I think. Yeah, that one's resting. That's what Peter says. A little bit worried, the other one, because it look like weak. Okay. I know that the mother is there. Just looking for these two siblings I have. There's a sibling, Kawkaw. Where's Kawkaw? You still listening? You still there? Listening on me? You not greet me. Today's my birthday, Kawkaw. Today is my birthday, July 16. It's Mount Carmel. It's the feast there. One of the patrons sent there in my country, the Philippines. And also in my place in Kawkaw City. In Carmen, Kawkaw City. The patron saint there is Mount Carmel. And today is my birthday, July 16, 2019, Tuesday. And the time now, Kawkaw, it's 3:40 o'clock in the afternoon. Where are you going? You're going, Kawkaw? You have to look and take care of your two siblings, Kawkaw? They're still there. Down. They're just resting. Oh, Kawkaw. Look like they're just somewhere. Kawkaw is just looking, maybe. Well, so much things that I just do, which means that supposed to be I'm doing in the computer now, but I just stopped because I wanted to filming these two siblings of Kawkaw. There, the parents there. I mean the mother. Yes, the mother's there. That's the mother of two siblings, the partner of Kawkaw. Kawkaw is on top of the roof. I mean on top of the garage roof. Oh my. I know a seagull bear protecting their sibling. It's drinking in there. Oh my goodness me. They just fly already. Just fly that seagull bird. I think she will rest in here again. Just wondering why. Look, she's just breathing hard, That's the partner of Kawkaw. I think you sit down in there and rest, maybe, or watching the two siblings there down on the soil in the garden of Westminster Court. Kawkaw is still on top of the roof. Kawkaw! I call him because he's there. And I cannot take a video because of covering the curtain here in the sala. Oh my. Just resting. Okay. Well, I think I have to look for the last time with the two siblings of Kawkaw. And I think that's all for now.